Good morning and welcome to our monthly assembly. During this assembly, we are looking actually at, I feel like we just had one a few weeks ago, but this is our November assembly. And we have been looking for several things throughout this month. I want to remind you of a couple of things. That when we hear a friend's name, we clap quietly, respectfully, so that we can hear the next name, okay? And our eyes are on the speaker and our friends who are receiving their awards. We will all have an opportunity. We are all working super hard, but our names are not called every single month. So this is our time to either receive our awards graciously or to help celebrate with our friends, okay? All right, we're gonna start with our Terrific Citizen Award. And this month, your teachers were looking for terrific citizens who were showing a lot of self-control. Oh, that is a hard one. That's a hard one at all ages. When you're really excited about something and you still have to make good choices, it is hard to do. So our first friend is Harper Conra. Oh, we didn't. Yes, we'll get your shirts later. Harper, I'm always forgetting something. Thank you for showing such wonderful self-control. And Jaylee Sloshhauser. Amelia Coltrane. Xander Long. On down, Xander. Asher Schaffner. Stephanie Sanchez. Harper Ruffton. And our supersonic staff member and terrific citizen is Miss Lori this month. Miss Lori's hiding from us. Miss Lori, thank you so much for all you do. All right. You get to smile. Oh, yes, thank you. Terrific citizens. Oh, terrific citizens. I'm going to have you go on over here and grab your shirt. Mrs. Bayberry, she's such a helper.
That was Miss Flowers.
Mrs. Flowers, she's a helper too. All right, we are going to do our math award. All right, and we have a special surprise here. Would you like me to read it or would you like me to? Okay, perfect. Oh my goodness gracious. Community Bank is our sponsor for our math award. Oh, they're so beautiful here. Let's see. We have Willow Rucker. A little piggy bank. All right, the next one is Ophelia Cave. Yes. Brinley Dooley. Ready for Christmas. Millie Barker. Oh, Millie is gone today. We will get Millie later. And Scarlett Cave. Sisters, you are quite the mathematicians this month. Love it. Finley Holt. There you go, Finley. And Bo James. Good job, Bo. All right. Thank you very much for is our Art Award. Good morning, everybody. All right, my first art award goes to Liberty Barnett. Case Couture. Bristol Aviles, absent today. William Duncan. Paris Garcia. Reed Brummett. Gracelyn Roberts. And that is our art awards. Good job, everybody. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do our music awards. Marlo Collins. Finley Carter. Owen Scott. Good job, buddy. Madeline Ebeck. Caitlin Vassar. Emma Nims. And Kingston Winters. You There you go. Smile. So hold it down like you're smiling. There you go. Smile. Kindergarten. Before I start our award, I need you guys to turn your mouths off. Voices off. We have a video going. They have to be able to hear. Okay? So I have our PE award. My first award is for Colton Weston. Everly Fraser. Madeline Naylor. Johnny Howery. Trenton Woods. Mila Jones. And Harley Jackson. Good job, friends. All right, kindergarten, you guys are doing a great job using your self-control. Remember, an audience member is a good listener. They look with their eyes and ears. Our Fantastic Friend Award this month is noticed by your teachers. Fantastic friends are kind and helpful and friendly to their classmates at school every day. Our first one is Brooks Young. George McCorkindale. Colton Bragg. Serenity Long. Bruce Clark. Miles Schroeder. Clara Lewis. Congratulations to those fantastic friends. All right, boys and girls, we'll finish this last picture. I want to thank you for a wonderful assembly, and we are going to have a nice week without any dress up dates, really. And we're just going to do lots of learning this week. It's awesome. I'm super excited. Less interruptions this week. So have a fantastic week.